What's the very first thing you do every morning in Japanese? If you can't answer that, you need this video. We're testing 10 essential action words. Drop a
満点
man 10 in the comments if you get 8 out of 10. Give you the word in English, you shout out the Japanese. Ready? Let's go. How do you say to eat in Japanese?
食べる
Taberu. T-A-B-E-R-U.
毎日ご飯を食べます
I eat rice every day. Tabe sounds like table. You eat at a table. How do you say to drink?
飲む
Nomu. N-O-M-U.
水を飲みます
I drink water. Nomu. Say no more when you drink too much. How do you say to watch or to see?
見る
Miru. M-I-R-U.
テレビを見ます
I watch TV. Miru. Your eyes, me in Japanese, do the seeing. How do you say to listen or to hear?
聞く
Kiku. K-I-K-U.
音楽を聴きます
I listen to music. Kiku sounds like kick. You kick your ear to listen. How do you say to speak or to talk?
話す
Hanasu. H-A-N-A-S-U.
日本語を話します
I speak Japanese. Hanasu. A flower Hana talks to the sun. How do you say to read?
読む
Yomu. Y-O-M-U.
本を読みます
I read a book. Yomu. Yo. More books when you love reading. How do you say to write?
書く
Kaku. K-A-K-U.
手紙を書きます
I write a letter. Kaku sounds like hack. Hacking words onto paper. How do you say to go?
行く
Iku. I-K-U.
学校に行きます
I go to school. Iku starts with I go. How do you say to come?
来る
Kuru. K-U-R-U.
友達が来ます
My friend is coming. Kuru. Like a dove cooing home. Come back. How do you say to go home or to return?
帰る
Kaeru. K-A-E-R-U.
家に帰ります
I go home. Kaehru sounds like care. You care enough to come home. How did you do? Drop your score in the comments. Let's go deep on 3 verbs.
食べる
Taberu. 2 forms you need to know. Plain form.
食べる
Casual, with friends. Polite form.
食べます
Tabemasu, with strangers.
いただきます
Itadakimasu. Said before every meal. It means I humbly receive. A cultural ritual of gratitude.
行く
Iku. The particle.
に
Is crucial.
学校に行きます
I go to school.
に
Marks the destination. Think of
に
as an arrow pointing where you are headed.
帰る
Kaeru. Going home specifically.
行ってきます
Itekimasu. I'll go and come back.
ただいま。
Tadaima. I'm home.
おかえり。
Okaeri. Welcome back. That's a wrap on today's quiz. Download the free N5 Workbook, link in the description. Like and subscribe for more Japanese lessons.
また来週。
Mata raishu. See you next week.